joining me here at QuickBiz Education. My name is Dwayne, and today we're going to be looking at two concepts: consumer surplus and producer surplus. Now, this is important for those students who are especially doing the IB economics program. Now, you might ask, what is consumer surplus? Well, consumer surplus is the amount over the equilibrium price that consumers are willing and able, critical, to pay for goods and services. And I'm going to give you an example just to explain this concept a little bit more. So let's say, for example, a celebrity is coming into a town, right? The biggest band, and you want to go and watch that band. But normally the price or the market price, let's say, is $20 for a ticket. But because of how things are, they say to you, you know what? If you pay $30 for the ticket, then you will get a good seat, right? Or you will get to see the musicians at the end of the concert. So the market price is 20, but you have decided to pay 30. Okay? So the difference between the 30 that you have paid and the market price is the consumer surplus, because consumer surplus is the benefit that you perceive that you're going to enjoy by paying a higher price. So that's basically what it is. Now, I'm just going to pull up my chart here and we're going to look at it. Okay, so here we have supply and we have demand. Good. So we see that the ticket, the cost is for $12. Well, the market price is $6, the equilibrium price, and the person is willing to pay $12 for it. Okay, therefore it means that the consumer surplus for that person who purchased at $12 would be $6. But what if someone else were to purchase the ticket at $8? Then it would be 6 from 8, and that person's surplus would be $2. Okay, now let's look at producers surplus. What is producer's surplus? Now, this is the amount below the equilibrium price but above the supply curve that producers are willing and able to produce a good for. So in other words, let's say they want to they produce a product and they say, you know what, we want at least $2 for this product. Fine, they have it there. But then when they enter the market, people are buying the product for $6. It means then that the producer surplus would be $4 because they're getting more than what they're paying. So it is the benefit that those producers are getting. So if another producer were to say, you know what, my tickets I can only sell you for I want to get $4 for my ticket, but then someone is willing to purchase it at $6, it means then that seller's producer surplus would be $2. But if someone say, you know what, I want $6 for my ticket, right? And someone is willing to buy it, that's the market price. There is no surplus for that, okay? So that's basically consumer and producer surplus. And here you can see on the chart, the section above the equilibrium price, that part in blue is for consumer. And this area below the equilibrium price, that and pay keen attention to this, that we're looking at the triangles, okay? So the area below the equilibrium price in red, that is the producers. Now, let's take it one step further. Let's say we want to find the community surplus. Now, yes, community, people coming together, living together. So we're looking at everyone in the community, all right? So let's call it the community surplus. That would simply be the consumer surplus plus the producer surplus. And that you can see here in the area A, B, C. So that big triangle that we have here, that represents the community surplus. Okay, I do hope that this video was very helpful for you as you prepare for your examination. and try these questions just to ensure that you're understanding the concept. All right. Do have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.